Hi guys, so in this section we'll discuss how to return a value from function and arrays. So return value from function is very easy. We to use this return statement. Okay, so I define one method called return test passing two values. So this here is a pass by value. Okay, this value are passing and these are copying to this x and y. Okay, so I'll just explain later this pass by value. So what we are doing, we are just putting result. Okay, and we are getting result and returning it, and while returning we are storing in one variable and just writing one on our HTML page. So let's test this. So just return thing we have to use. So just go 6 plus 5 11. So our output will be 11. Okay, now one more thing I want to discuss here is pass by value. What is pass by value? So I'll change this code little bit. Okay, I declare two variable a equal to 6 and where b equal to 5 and a and b were passing. Okay, so we'll run again this program, output will be the same. Okay, just try once. Yeah, program is same. Okay, now what is happening? So this two value a and b will copy into x and y. So any operation we are doing here for on x, like we are incrementing x and incrementing y, won't be having any impact on a and b. So we'll just print this a and b also here. Document dot write a and document dot write equal to b. Okay, so here what are doing, we are passing these two value x and a and b in x y, so it make a copy here. So x and y is a different variable and n is b and different variable. So what we are doing, we are adding and putting result, then incrementing x and y and returning the result. So this value of a and b will be 6 and 5 only, it won't change like 7 or 6. Okay, so let's run this test case once. Okay, see, this is 11 is our addition of this thing, and this is a and 6 is a and 5 is b. So this is passed by value. So always when you're sending value through this function, it will copy here. Okay, and this create a different memory. These are stored in different memory area and these are stored in different area, they are independent. Okay, so now let's discuss array. I'll just comment this, so we'll just see. Array is like a list kind of thing with similar elements. So we how to declare a array here, where fruits, this is the array and this is the brackets, and we are putting all the array value. So first element in array have index 0, then 1, 2, then 3. So how to retrieve, just array name and index you have to pass, and we're storing here. Okay, and we'll print this value. So let's test this thing. So it will should get banana. Okay, banana is coming. Now come here. There's one more thing. This is one way to declare array, another way is this way. I just commented this thing, I'll uncomment those lines. So first I declare an array, then I'm putting value in this one by index. Okay, so this is the JavaScript array. Thank you.